Right, so hopefully you saw the repair video to this Cobra emergency set. I'll just check Mr Chippie's out there. Now we can't plug anything like extension speaker or anything in. We've got it on the external aerial, we've got it on external power, but that's it. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, roger, we're all recording and ready to go.
Oh, roger.
So you get a half decent sized speaker in the side of this, and the push to talk bar is just there. So if you saw this, it has a clip over cover so that it stows away like that.
Alright, we'll come up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
So we've got the built-in condenser microphone there. We've got channel, volume and squelch, which is called range, and this works the opposite way, so it's to the right for the hiss, and for the maximum squelch it's to the left, so it's the opposite way to normal. So this is a Cobra 39XFM, 39XFM from 1982. And it's the innards of these.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger.
Yes, this is what the insides of a Comtel base station are.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
For those interested, he's doing 820 milliamps on the power supply, and that's at 13.8 volts, and that makes it quite efficient.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
So we won't be unplugging any extension speakers, we didn't plug it in. We haven't got low power on this, but he is going to stop at the 5 mile point, and we should see footage from his camcorder included at the appropriate point of the 4 watt signal from this radio.
Tango 21 from Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Cobra SOS 39XFM emergency set, and it's doing a full 4 watt output. Manufactured in 1982 by Maxon.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger!
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
So that's now at the 3 mile point. So remember, he's gone the wrong side of a hill now. He's gone up the hill at Ancaster. He says he's at the top of the hill. He goes down the other side. So that now makes it quite difficult because the hill has an umbrella effect over the radio signal. That's why we go in this direction.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger.
So that's now the 4 mile point. So he's going to call through at the 5 mile point at the Greyleys turn. Then he's going to pull over, and hopefully he'll have some footage, and we'll have a look at the pretty useless meter on the front of the Midland 78 Plus multi that he's using. Question was, have they got a socket on the back to plug a proper meter into? So I must look at another one of those sets, because I think they could well have. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. If you care to pull up, please, over.
Just speak to me again. I might have got this close up to you, right?
Yes, if you'd like to just pull over then, please.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now at the 5 mile point, over.
Roger, this is Tango 21 on the Cobra SOS emergency set. This doesn't have low power, so we're only going to be able to record in the 4 watt mode. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and this is on the built-in condenser microphone. Over.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, I've already called you 2 times, but you're not receiving me.
Right, well, I didn't know you weren't receiving me, so I'll try again. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording now, but I did call you a couple of times.
Right, you're not receiving me. It's probably the fact these are on a phono connector for the aerial. So here we go, testing the Cobra SOS emergency set. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. It's a 4 watt test only. These radios don't have low power. Over.
Yeah, that was going well, and then you just went off air again.
Right, well, we'll put it all down to the phono connector.
Yeah, roger that.
So this is a pain in these kind of things. You've just got a phono connector in the bottom, and then not a good contact.
Carry on.
Yeah, Roger, that's fine, thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now at the 5 mile point, over. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, receiving.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, I've already called you 2 times, were you not receiving me?
Right, well, I didn't know you weren't receiving me, so I'll try again. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording now, but I did call you a couple of times.
Right, you're not receiving me. It's probably the fact these are on a phono connector for the aerial. So here we go, testing the Cobra SOS emergency set. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. It's a 4.
Yeah, that was going well, and then you just went off air again.
Right, well, we'll put it all down to the phono connector.
Yeah, roger that. Right, do you want me to carry on? Tango 21 from Mr Chippie.
Roger, yes, you carry on.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Going over to Rossby level crossing. Over.
Yeah, Tango 21 receiving you at Rossby level crossing. Have we a petrol price over?
Yeah, same as they were, which was what, 151.7, 171.9, something like that.
Yep, Roger on that. Oh, that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
1010. So the letdown there is this phono connector. I did think I'd cleaned it up, but probably not enough. It's a letdown. But other than that, we've had the 6 miles out of it. So we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900.
Tango 21, testing the Cobra SOS emergency set into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thanks for watching.